Hi, this is Anthony. I just got home from the shops as well, and I put my silk satin shirt on so I could be ready for work for my Gummy Piece to Build company called Fiverr on the website as well. It's a nice website I found 2 years ago, and it's pretty good too for Fiverr. I'm going to post it on Facebook soon for the Fiverr website. Design your own logos, websites, videos on AI, graphics logo, your own logo design as well. You can do everything as well. Doesn't charge money at all. Just $83 or $86 or $13. You will get a cheap one. It will go and find a good one. You go for the highest one as well. That's why I want to not working at Target as much anymore. I'm home today. I don't work this week, next week, and the week after next. I got to do home work like Anthony gave me a piece to build company. Like everyone starts their own business at home, they do. Or that's a good idea, it is. That's what I want to do. Do things. I'll be self-employed as well, so I can earn all the money, move to California, so I can meet people, and open up my first Anthony Gavin Peaceable company, so I can buy more shirts like this. I do need a new shirt as well soon. Royal blue, dark green, dark blue, and red. I got red. I got 3 colors now. I'm getting my 4th color soon. Is dark green, yellow, champagne, gold, as well. That's what I do. Do things, buy things. Do I look good with a silk satin shirt? I look good, I do. Very fancy. Wow. Let me stand up for a second. Do I look good with this satin shirt? Royal blue? I look good in this silk satin shirt. Let's turn the light on. Do I look good with the light on or light off? It feels so nice, the silk satin shirt. It is. Very silky and sassy and milky. Just for the girls, it is. Or my own business as well. Anthony gave me piece to build business company, it's called. Look at my silk satin shirt. Wow. All the girls like it at the shops at Twicity. The other girl like it as well. Too, yes. Let's talk about starting your own business. Yeah, I've been watching John Gustani as well. He's my favorite YouTuber from Los Angeles, California as well. He's from, and he's my #1 favorite YouTuber. I'll create my own things. Want to do PC builds, and that's all. That's all. I'm not gonna say the other word. That's a bit private as well, but I can say that when I go to California as well, or maybe later on tonight I could do another video soon. Do I look good with the silk satin shirt with my black shorts? Look at a businessman, I do. Wow, I look good. Well, fancy, sassy. Anthony Munchkin look fancy. All the beautiful girls love my satin shirt, they do. I gotta go now. Bye. Happy Easter. I'll be in California soon in 2-3 months' time. You watch. I'm very good saving the money. I just don't want to work at Target anymore. It's boring. It is. I call it Target sucks. That's its name. Target boring. It is. Anthony gave me Visible Company as well. That's my new name on my website. I gotta go.